Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel, you guys. So today I have a fun nail tutorial for you guys to watch and to learn and maybe even do yourself. So before I get started and you continue watching this wonderful nail tutorial, go down below, subscribe to my channel, give this video a like and share it, because everybody's going to need to see this one. Trust me. Everybody's going to need to see it. And, yeah. So let's get started with this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video because it's gonna be a treat for you guys. So first off, as always, put 2 coats of all the nail polish I'm gonna show you for the base.
To the sky, hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
Now all that is done, we're going to get started with the fun part. So on the pinky, index finger, and thumb are all going to be the same. And I'm going to put some lovely flowers on them. So that's what's next. 3 flowers on each nail.
Take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers. Standing in the shade. Going louder, we are all one color. Standing in the way. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Shadows, shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers. Standing in the shade.
I'm going to come back to this finger, and I'm going to go and do the pinky and the thumb just like this one. So I'm drawing the flowers in black first, so I can have a gist of the shape of the flower, then going back in with white to emphasize the flower, and then more detailing as I go.
Run.
The main full flowers, you want to do 5 to 6 petals, and on the side flower no more than 3.
Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in the shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in the way.
The pinky, index finger, and thumb is all done. Now on to middle fingers, middle two fingers, the wedding and thumb, and middle finger, and we're going to make a butterfly in between both of them. So the next is to do butterfly. So one half the butterfly on the wedding finger, one half of the butterfly on the middle finger.
Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in the shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in the way.
To make sure both sides adds up when you put your finger together like this, you want to put your both fingers together like this, and you want to make tick marks on this side of where all these end up at on the edge, so then they'll look semi-symmetrical and even. Now I'm going to add some jewels and caviar beads, as well making some black detail lines on the butterfly. finger nails are done. The 2 butterfly that took forever to do are done. Look at that. So now all that's left is to do a top coat. Guys, what do you think about this nail tutorial? This nail tutorial was inspired by this week's fashion sketch that I did, inspired by butterflies. So it was really cool doing that. So go check that out. The link is down in my description box below, or in one of the eyes up the top here, and or you can just hop to my channel when you subscribe to it and look at it there. And so yeah, I hope you liked it. I really enjoyed it. So give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you're new here, also share it to all your butterfly friends. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.